Are you competing with other buyers on your dream home, or do you want to make sure you've got the best chance of getting your offer accepted? These 3 buyer tips are sure to help you achieve those goals, and it's my job to help you get your dream home now. Number 1, make sure you've offered a competitive price on the home. If there are multiple offers and you are able to remove the appraisal or loan contingency, then do so. But make sure you know the risk in doing so. Number 2, put down a larger earnest money deposit. It shows that you are serious and also shows that you have money and most likely are more qualified for the purchase. Be sure not to remove your loan or appraisal contingencies until you are absolutely certain that you are fully approved to purchase the home and the underwriter has given the full approval. Otherwise, you could stand to lose that deposit. What if you don't have enough money for the large down payment? Well, maybe if you can remove some of your contingencies. For example, maybe you've seen the inspections and know the house is in great shape. You can remove the inspection contingency. Or you've been through the entire approval process and have a fully underwritten approval, then you can remove your loan contingency so that your offer looks stronger. Number 3, let the seller know that you have not written any other offers on any other properties. You've verified the taxes and taken them into consideration in regards to your payment. Let them know that you're going to be as reasonable as possible in regards to repairs and requests once you go into escrow. There are so many more tips that I can show you, but it would take so long to do that. Give me a call and let me assist you in getting your dream home.